For salons, spas, wellness clinics, and fitness studios, efficient appointment scheduling is one of the most critical parts of daily operations. Managing availability, reducing no-shows, and delivering a seamless client experience all depend on having a booking system that works with, not against you. That's where Vagaro shines. Vagaro is a powerful yet user-friendly platform that lets service-based businesses offer real-time online booking, manage staff schedules, send automated reminders, and even process payments all from a single dashboard. Whether you're a solo provider or managing a team, Vagaro helps keep your schedule full and your clients happy. In this video, we'll walk through the core features that make Vagaro so effective and explain why it's a top choice for businesses focused on service and client care. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the real time online booking. Vagaro allows customers to book appointments directly from your website, your Vagaro business page, or even your social media accounts. You can customize the booking widget to match your brand and list available services, durations, staff members, and price points. Bookings reflect live availability and update automatically when slots are filled or changed. Clients can book appointments 24/7 without needing to call or message, which increases bookings and reduces back and forth. You stay focused on service delivery while your calendar fills itself. Another key feature is the smart scheduling and availability management. Vagaro's backend lets you control your availability with precision. You can block off time, set lunch breaks, define staff working hours, and manage multiple service providers from one view. The system prevents overbooking and notifies you of scheduling conflicts instantly. Your schedule stays accurate, and you avoid the headaches of double bookings, missed time blocks, or last minute surprises. It also makes it easy to coordinate across a team, even during busy days. Another key feature is the automated reminders and notifications. Once an appointment is booked, Vagaro automatically sends confirmation emails and text reminders to your clients. You can customize reminder intervals like 24 hours or 2 hours before, and even send follow-up messages or review requests post-service. This significantly reduces no-shows and late cancellations, helping you protect your time and revenue. Clients appreciate the reminders, and your business runs more smoothly as a result. Another key feature is the service packages, add-ons, and group bookings. Vagaro makes it easy to offer bundled services, upsells, or add-ons during the booking process. You can also accommodate couples or group appointments, ideal for spas or fitness classes. Each service provider's availability is considered dynamically during the group scheduling process. You increase revenue per appointment and offer a more personalized, flexible experience to clients. It also helps you maximize resources, whether it's a room, a stylist, or a shared piece of equipment. Another key feature is the mobile app for clients and providers. The Vagaro mobile app lets business owners and staff manage appointments on the go, viewing bookings, rescheduling, blocking time, and checking out clients. Clients can also book or schedule from the app, receive push notifications, and track their appointment history. So everyone stays connected and in control from anywhere. If you're between appointments or away from your desk, you can still manage your calendar and respond to last minute changes quickly. So, why is Vagaro a great choice? Vagaro stands out because it balances ease of use with robust customization. You don't need a tech background to get started, but you also won't outgrow its features as your business expands. From booking to and billing to reporting and marketing, Vagaro integrates everything into a single ecosystem. In 2025, Vagaro continues to improve its interface, expand its client-side tools, and add integrations with platforms like Google Calendar, Zoom, QuickBooks, and Instagram. It's also ideal for hybrid or multi-location businesses, thanks to its centralized admin dashboard and customizable provider level access. Security wise, Fagaro is PCI compliant, encrypts all client and payment data, and offers multi factor authentication to protect business information critical for any modern service based businesses. So, whether you're a solo esthetician, a team of massage therapists, or a growing fitness studio, Vagaro helps you streamline booking, elevate the client experience, and stay organized all from one place. So basically, Vagaro makes appointment booking fast, reliable, and stress free for both you and your clients. With real time availability, automated reminders, smart scheduling tools, and full mobile access, you can spend less time managing the calendar and more time doing what you do best. So, if you're ready to give your clients a seamless booking experience while keeping your team fully organized and your schedule optimized, Vagaro is a top solution worth considering in 2025. So start using Vagaro today and elevate your fitness business in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.